Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and today we're going to do a neck stretcher exercise where we face away from the neck stretcher. Did you like that name? We're doing a neck stretcher exercise where you face away. Because let me tell you, they actually have no name. Both of them are named neck stretcher seated. So this one is round back, in my opinion. And so what you do is you have your neck stretcher on your leg springs. And then you want to get to a spot where you have length in your springs, like they're long. And then your legs are out and they're wide. And then you basically spine stretch forward. You push the forehead through the strap. And you resist the spring pulling you back up. And again, push the forehead through the strap, lift your ribs off your thighs. And I love it because you really can't cheat by pushing your head sooner than the rest of your spine. Everything articulates and it feels so good. And then you would just spin around, take this off, spin around to do the next one. And I'll show you that in another tutorial. But if you want to see, we have also a lunge with a neck stretcher and we have a standing neck stretcher exercise. So check those out in our neck stretcher playlist and have some fun. And then I highly recommend you go into your short box to do the round back and the flat back, because these two really help teach where you're doing that from, so you're not straining by using your neck or shoulders. Thank you so much. If you have questions on what exercise to use to make another exercise better, I love nerding out. We have workshops and we have workouts on our onlinepilatesclasses.com website that actually put all those things together. So definitely check those out to get more information, more education, and do life better.